Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for attending here today. I have received confirmation that MayReach Incorporated, a Silicon Valley-based software services company, has just unleashed what some expert analysts are calling the evolution of communication. In short, it's an astonishing new technology that gives users the power to communicate with a massive audience in as little time as possible. In addition, the service is currently being limited by invitation only, and the waiting list has been projected to double within the coming weeks. I'll take a question on this, yes?